friends, this is Ishi. I'm going to show you how to float dill on water. So what you do is take this out and then take a paper and then lift it up and then put it in the water fast, so, and then look slowly by slowly it's going to move away. So one thing, you have to take it out fast and also not let the water drip on it. So this is how you do it, and then look, it's floating. Blow it like little, like blow it not like from up, otherwise it will like sink down. So just take it out quickly.